Hello world! In this video I'm going to show you how to rotate your inline skate wheels. Specifically, I'm going to be covering a flat 4-wheel setup where you want to keep all of your wheels more or less the same size. So the front wheel will be wheel number 1, then number 2, number 3, and finally the back wheel, number 4. Please also note the inside edge and outside edge of your wheels. So these are the inside edges, and these ones are the outside edges. Please note the inside edges currently have the logo on them, whereas the outside edges currently do not have a logo. This will be important a bit later. Okay, so the first thing we'll now do is remove the wheels and line them up. Generally speaking, you tend to wear out the front and back wheel a little quicker than the middle two wheels, so let's rotate them. Take wheel 1 from the right skate and place it into position 3 on the left skate, then wheel 2 to position 4, wheel 3 to position 1, and finally wheel 4 to position 2. Now repeat the process but move the wheels from the left side to the right. So 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 1, and finally 4 to 2. To confirm, we have moved the wheels from the right skate to the left and from the left skate to the right. So now we need to reattach the wheels. So take your right skate, and please remember what's your inside edge and your outside edge. Take your new front wheel and rotate it so that the logo now goes on the outside edge. Then place this front wheel into the front of the frame, insert the axle and screw it in. Then take your new second wheel, rotate it, so again the logo's on the outside, insert the axle and screw it in. You kind of get the idea, right? Repeat this process for wheels 3 and 4. And please do remember to fully tighten your axles using an Allen key or appropriate tool. I didn't really show that process here, just to speed things up. The process for the left skate is exactly the same, so I won't show you that. So we've effectively moved our front and back wheels to become the middle wheels, and also rotated from one foot to the other. We've also ensured we have moved our inside edges to become our outside edges. Overall, using this method will give you a good even distribution of wear if you repeat this process often. Thanks for watching.